Hi guys, my name is Marian Kanev. I am from Bulgaria and I was here on an amazing training with Digitup at Mindspark, Alexandropoli.
Hey guys, my name is Björnar. I'm from Norway, Grande experience. I will say thank you for the Mindspark for having this day in Greece.
My name is Helena. I come from Norway and with the organization Grande Experience.
Hello, I'm Omar. I'm 18 years old from Belgium.
It's been very interesting and I've learned a lot.
Next year I'm in Alexandropoli.
Thank you, and it has been a pleasure to meet everyone and work on this amazing project so far.
Amazing, absolutely amazing, and I enjoyed myself a lot. I can't wait to come back.